As the political battle in Rajinagar intensifies, the political atmosphere in West Bengal is heating up. Responding to a series of allegations made by Chief Minister Shubhendu Adhikari, Aam Janata Unnayan Party leader Shuman Kabir launched a sharp counter-attack. He made it clear that he would not back down under pressure or threats. Expressing confidence, Kabir said he would contest the upcoming election and that the people of Rajinagar would ensure his party wins by an even bigger margin than before. Recently, Chief Minister Shubhendu Adhikari alleged that Humayun Kabir had been making provocative statement with the sole aim of helping his son win the Rajinagar by-election. He further claimed that Kabir was attempting to consolidate the constituency's 72% Muslim vote through such remark. However, Humayun Kabir strongly rejected the allegation. He said it was natural for the Chief Minister to campaign for his own party, just as it was his responsibility to campaign for his own party and support its candidate, even if that candidate happened to be his son. According to Kabir, there was nothing wrong with doing so. Kabir then launched a stronger attack on the Chief Minister, showing there was no need to deliberately polarize Muslim voters. He argued that the more the Chief Minister tried to consolidate Hindu votes, the more Muslim voters would naturally unite. He claimed this trend would become increasingly evident in all future elections, including Panchayat, municipal and parliamentary polls. He also took a swipe at the Chief Minister by referring to former Chief Minister Mamata Bandyopadhyay. Kabir alleged that if the current Chief Minister did not misuse the administration for political purposes or attempt to influence election through administrative machinery, defeating AJUP in Rajinagar would not be possible. He pointed out that in the previous assembly election, AJUP had defeated the Trinamool Congress by 81,000 votes and the BJP by 59,000 votes in Rajinagar. Citing those results, he claimed that public support still remains firmly with his party.